I know. I hear baby girl. She's meowing away. She knows Sean's coming home soon. Yeah. Dang it. Dang it, dang it, dang it. Of course, the automatic needle threader was the first thing to go on this machine. I have 1, 2, 3 sewing machines and 1 serger. This sewing machine was about $1,200 when I bought it. And when did I buy it? I bought this about 3 years ago. And the automatic threader went after about 6 months of use. The next thing to go looks like it's the bobbin winder. The bobbin winder's not winding all kinds of thread. It doesn't like embroidery polyester. For some god-awful reason, I don't know why. Then I have my SE600, which is the brother. That machine cost me $400. Everything on it works. It's an embroidery sewing machine, and that thing's a workhorse, okay? It's $400, but it is the most reliable of all of my machines. See, look at this one. It's making stitches by itself. I didn't make that last stitch. And this is my Burnett, which is part of the Bernina family. And everybody swears by their Berninas. It's the top of the line out there. I think if I had it to do over again, I would have purchased, I need to get something out, a tool out here. Probably a Juki. Jukis are good machines. Let's use that. And if that doesn't work, I'll use this. So, I don't like the way some things are getting caught up in this, the way the seams are getting caught up. I also have a baby lock, Jazz 2. That was my first machine. It was given to me as a gift. And it's a nice sturdy machine. Of course, it also has an automatic threader that doesn't work. And then there's my Baby Lock Celebrate air serger. I love that serger. That serger is great because it's air threaded. You know, I don't have to worry about getting discouraged because I got to change the threads. It's so time consuming, but the air threader is so simple. And everything on that one works, thank God. Get under there. There it goes. It's taking its own stitches. I think it's something about where the needle is in the down position, and it wants to come to the up position, but then it goes down again. I've heard that. Other people have had this problem too with this model of machine. Oh well. So I generally wind my bobbins on my brother and do my quilting on this machine. The B77. This a little bit. Square it up a little bit better. This is my favorite part of the process, is the stitching. Because I could just sit at a machine for hours and stitch. I don't know what it is. I find it very relaxing to just run things through the machine. It's like therapy. Whoops. I'm doing that one backwards. Whoops. Whoops. Whoopsie. Not focusing. Focus, focus, focus. Well, it's going to have to come off. So I'm going to have to do something else with that one.